Guys, welcome back to the TM Designworks YouTube channel. Today we're going to be installing a slide and guide kit on this 2023 YZ450F.
The Baja Endurance Slide and Guide Kit includes our front chain slider, lower power lip roller, and factory edition #1 chain guide. This product was developed for Baja and extreme conditions that off-roader moto can throw at you. The front chain slider incorporates sound dampening pads to reduce chain slap noise. The composite plastic lasts up to 3 times longer than any other chain slider on the market. Our power lip lower frame pad reduces chain drag and slide plate wear. Factory edition #1 rear chain guide has a solid body design with non-replaceable wear pads. It absorbs impacts and returns to center along with friction-reducing additives and UV protection to eliminate color fade. This product is used by championship-winning race teams worldwide and made right here in the USA.
Now this bike is ready for whatever you throw at it. Make sure you stay up to date with us on all of our social media platforms. See you out on the trail.